So this installation what I am going to show you is applicable for ESM 7.x or above versions. And make sure you download the correct console version. Suppose if you are installing ESM 7.5 version, then the console version should be 7.5 version. So make sure that you download the correct version. So for installing ESM console on Windows, first you need to download the correct console version from OpenText site. So for example, if you are installing 7.5, then console version should be 7.5. And click on the executable file and it will prompt for you the ESM server host name. So when we are installing console on Windows platform, you must have a server host name for installing ESM console. Now let's see how we can do it ESM console installation. So I have already downloaded the ESM console on my desktop. This is the version. So I have the ESM 7.5 server. So I'm installing console for 7.5. So I have downloaded the 7.5 version console executable file. You just click on the executable file. Here it's extracting the required files from the executable file. While it extracting, we can collect the host name, ESM host server host name. So I connected ESM server. This is the ESM server. So I need to copy the ESM host server name. Once it is 100% done, you prompt for the ESM server host name and a required port. So you just click next here and agree for the end user license agreement. Here you need to provide the directory. Here default is C drive Arcsight console. So you can also modify this. You can change to different folder also. This is a program group. Is the information we provided. So it will take while for installing the console. You need to, if it is already installed, Then you can transfer the settings, but if it is a fresh installation, you can click next. We have two options, like if you want to run in FIPS mode, you can select the FIPS mode, or you can use default mode, depends on the requirement. And here first we need to provide the ESM manager server host name. So I'm typing here, yeah, port is default 8443, IP version IP4. And if you are using any proxy, you can use proxy server here. Otherwise, you can use direct option. So here we are using password-based authentication. So I select first option and the browser executable file. If it is single user, you can use single user. It is multi-user, you can use multi-user. So here I'm going with single user installation. Then finish. Done. So once installation is done, you can see it is available on your desktop. ESM console. So here you need to provide your username. So I'll use admin, and the manager name will automatically pop up because we have provided in while installing. So you can click on login and accept the certificate. It will take a while for loading ESM console. You can see ESM console is we are able to log in. So here you can use the ESM console. So we have installed 7.5. Here you can see the host name. Thank you for watching this video.